Bird. Bob. Here, one more.
Went straight through my hand.
That one was like a diver. You're almost at the end of that caulk.
This is the end of day 3. They have completed all 3 walls, put the toppers on 2 of them, but being as Lowe's shorted us some toppers, we still have a few toppers that need to be put on. They will be back tomorrow, and they hope to at least get the wall along here put in, and perhaps the steps. Also at the end, we need a few blocks to keep the dirt in so it doesn't go off to the side. They needed 6 more toppers to finish this row, and like I said, they shorted us, so they were unable to completely finish this. They still need to put in the backfill and get the dirt. They have come a long way in the 3 days, and it's really looking good. Can't wait to see the finished project.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.